Woo! Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the bench. You know, I really hate how I come in on those intros. I say, hey guys, and it sounds so upper register. I should be like, hey guys, but anyway. Welcome back to the bench. Welcome back to the channel, like I said. And today we're going to be jumping into another boutique custom blend. And this one is again from J.M. Boswell's in Pennsylvania. Real quick, it is St. Patrick's Day today. I actually had an eye doctor's appointment. I'm getting some new specs. They're pretty cool. They're kind of blue. I like them. And we went out for lunch. Do we have any green beers? No. Am I Irish? Yes. Did I drink any whiskey? No. But hey, everybody else was. And if you're watching this video after the fact, which I know you will be, I hope you had a good St. Patrick's Day. I hope you're all safe. And I hope that your hangovers were nice and easy the next day. Moving on. So, J.M. Boswell's. I wanted to talk about, I was going to make a separate video. I like to do 2 blends from each blender in succession. One this week, one this week. And now I'm starting to put my videos out on Fridays. I want to see if that helps gets a little more traction. But last week I put out J.M. Boswell's. And this week is a J.M. Boswell's. So what am I smoking out of? I am smoking out of, and I'm trying to mess with the camera. Let's see. Is it going to focus? Oh, it's not. I'm going to do that cool little inlay thing again. I am smoking my J.M. Boswell's large billiard that I got over the summer when I was at the Alexandria store when we were RVing at Lake Raystown. This pipe with some J.M. Boswell's, which just kind of goes together. It's like they were made for each other. Private stock is one that I was just reading through the catalog on Boswell's, and I was like, wow, they don't do a lot of vapors, but they do this one. So I ordered and I got me some, and sent some to my buddy Terry out in San Jose, and he really likes private stock. I think it's a really, really good blend. Ooh. Oh, just checking out the top. I get a little scoring on top, but it's good. Okay, excuse me. Oh, and this bowl right here, I packed and lit this bowl, just a char light, 7-8 hours ago, and I let it sit. There was an article on smokingpipes.com about when you pack up Virginia blends specifically, and you give them a char light, a couple puffs, and you let them sit. And let them sit for hours and hours. And they say it really changes the flavor. It enhances the flavor. So I've been trying to do that when I'm smoking some vapor. So I did that today with this bowl right here. I'm not really sure if I can tell the difference, but it's a pretty cool idea. Got my book. Oh, and since I have you here, like, subscribe, share the videos around if you can. I'm gaining a little bit of traction. I'm hoping maybe putting the videos out on a different day will gain a little bit more outreach, so to speak. And I'm almost at 600 subscribers. Pretty good for just some goofy gardening pipe channel. But hey, if you're here, I do appreciate it. Thank you. Thanks everyone for watching. Everybody for all your comments. I like them. And if anybody's watching and has watched, what do you think of the new lighting setup? I think it's a lot better. But moving on. Oh yeah, there we go. I am drinking, it's not an ice water, a good gin tonic. Bombay Sapphire. It is Friday. It is pouring down rain outside. It's cold. It's just it's a hell of a St. Patrick's Day out there. J.M. Boswell's private stock. And I did buy this blend a while ago, and I've been smoking on it and just decided to do my take on it. It is $5.35, I do believe, per ounce. And as with Boswell's, you have to buy a 2-ounce minimum of each blend if you buy online. Now, there's a couple companies, Milan Tobacconists, you can buy 1 ounce at a time. And King Smoking Pipes and Cigars. That's their full name. You can buy 1 ounce at a time, which I just got some blends from them the other day. Check out my Instagram at Noah's House, and you can see a cool little post about that. So private stock. Tin note. I got a sweet, sour taste or smell, and I was getting a little bit of a vinegar sting in my nose. Now, what I have in the jar is about 5 months old, so it has a little bit of age to it. But I was getting this weird little hint of vinegar come stinging me in my nose, and I actually thought it was really good. It was a really good smell. It gives the blend it gives it some depth. The color was light to dark browns with some slight black colors in there. The cut is like a broken flake / ribbon. I smoked it out of various pipes. My take on this blend, I said it burns cool. There was no bite out of any pipe that I smoked it out of. I said it is a very mellow vapor. It has a nice sweet Virginia flavor. The Perique is spicy and very nice, and also it's very subtle. The Perique is mixed in at the right amount, where if you're not a huge Perique fan, I think you should give this blend a try, because it's not up in the forefront where it's really gonna, get too spicy for your palate. I said it has a great aftertaste. I said it's simple and easy to enjoy. I would love to get more age on this. See how it changes, how it moves, how it gets a little more deep. The Virginias get a little sweeter. That Perique with the spice in there, I think that would be great. I said, I've been smoking on this blend for months. I said, the flavor seems to get better and better. I wonder if this blend would get better if pressed. Got a video coming out. Spoiler alert, guys. I pressed Northwoods, and out of the press, I put it in a vacuum bag. We'll see how that goes. But don't tell anybody, because I want people to watch that video. Ooh, my chair's getting stuck. I wonder if it'll be better pressed. I said the website states this is Virginia slices and Perique. So I think that's kind of how you're getting that broken flake. It's almost like the slices are busted up in there and mixed with the Perique. I said I am getting more spice as the bowl goes down. This blend delivers on a very easygoing way. And by that I mean it's not, I say this a lot in my takes, how blends are simple. And I don't mean simple like simpleton could smoke them. I just mean that they're mixed to a point, as Jim from Emerson Southern Ford says, they're nuanced blends. Everybody goes together. Everything tastes great. Nothing is overpowering the other one. And this is a very good vapor. And I have other various things there we don't have to talk about. But this blend, I thought, I was kind of shocked because I didn't know they made it. And like I said, I was reading on the website one day, and it turns out, you guys see that catch? They do make a vapor, and it's really good. And like I said, if you want something that's not super, super spicy, like I said, give this blend a try. Grab a couple ounces. Smoke some, and if you're not really into it, I say put it in a jar, put it on the shelf, and give it 4 months. Smoke a bowl, see how you feel. Still not into it? Give it 4 more months. I have a feeling that this blend is going to age extremely well, and it's just going to get better and better and better. Excuse me. Now, out of this big pipe right here, oh my goodness, it's a nice long smoke if you're watching a match or you're listening to a podcast, if you're just sitting in the shop or on the deck. This is a good blend. You pack it up in a nice big pipe. It starts off really sweet and nice, and then it gets spicier and it gets deeper as the bowl goes down. So you have a good, you're smoking on this for an hour or so. You have a lot of good flavors. It doesn't get boring, put it that way. So, what am I going to give this? This will be a little weird, but I'm going to give it 3 matchsticks from the bench. And I only do that because I'm not a super, super vapor fan. Like, I like them, and this is one of my favorite vapors. I always say that 3 is something that I like. I'm probably not going to chase down. you don't have to chase this down, but I do want to buy a few more ounces to put it in the jar and just have it sit for a while, because I think it's going to be really good in a couple years. So that's why I give it 3, because this isn't something that I'm drawn to, that I really am going to chase after, but it is definitely a very, very good smoke. And if you're into vapors and you haven't tried J.M. Boswell's private stock, please do. You won't be disappointed. See, there's some spice. I'm about halfway down on this bowl. Yeah, definitely getting the spice on that. Well, that's what I have for today. Like I said, if you like vapors, give this one a try. And from the bench, I'm Noah. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.